What up everyone, this is Motorals here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the settings app not opening up on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get right into this. So this is actually an easy fix. All you need to do is go to your search bar and type in edit group policy until you see this pop up. Once you have this opened up, you want to, let me just make it a little bigger so we can easily see the things inside. We're going to click open into the arrow where it says administrative template. Then we're going to click into where it says control panel. We don't need to reopen this, just need to click into this one. And in here, there's something called prohibit access to control panel and PC settings. In here, you want to do policy settings. So we're basically going to edit this one, and you're going to change this to default. Basically, this is what you're going to do. So, or I should say disabled, apologies. Once you do this, press apply, restart your computer. Now you should be good to go, because you can see normally it's not configured. So this lets you run certain things based off of the not configured settings. So it's possible something changed the configuration while it's in that component, making it not work for you. So disabling it lets you essentially access settings, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please subscribe, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'm Motorals out. Peace.